Good morning, or whatever time of day it is. Who's ready for summer vacation? I am. Well, I hope you are too, and I hope you are prepared to be amused with our final PBL for the year. If you haven't already, please join the PBL classroom. The code is on the screen. You can pause and go ahead and join it now. All right, so what is this PBL project about? Hopefully, you got a packet from your teachers. If you didn't, you can see Miss Klein or Mr. Bennett or Mr. Kitchen or Miss Garner to get a packet. The packet should look like this. We are filling out this packet today. If you don't have a hard copy, we'll put a electronic version on the PBL classroom that you hopefully just joined. All right, so what are we doing today? Well, we're going to go over the brief for the project. You're going to do a gallery walk. We're going to do a virtual field trip, and you are going to develop your ideas. What if you're absent or you can't, or you miss something? Well, you can still do the virtual field trip with the classroom, and the gallery walk will still be in the PBL lab. So you can do this. All right, so I'm going to go over the project really fast and then explain the other activities. This PowerPoint is on the Google Classroom again. Did you join it? You should have. All right, so first we're just going to listen to the brief. This isn't what you're writing down because it's a little bit too much to write down. Okay, so experts often criticize summer breaks, saying that they cause a learning loss for students. On the other hand, students say they need a break from school. They need time to have fun and live their lives. During the summer, families often flock to amusement parks because they are some of the most entertaining attractions in the world. What if there was an amusement park that could entertain families while educating students? This is your task. You are going to create a ride for an amusement park. You can pick any type of ride as long as you can build a functional model, and you are going to create a functional model that will communicate your major learning from ninth grade. All right, so if you need to write that down, this is what you're writing down. You are designing an educational and entertaining amusement park ride that will both draw in crowds and educate them. So your ride needs to use concepts from all your different classes. There's a slide that's going to go over that real quick. But basically, you've already learned most of what you need to learn to create this. You're now just going to put it all together. You will be creating a functional model and a video to explain it. All right, so our essential question is, how can we build an educational amusement park that attracts, that draws in crowds in order to educate? So we want to do something, we're trying to combine education and entertainment. We can do it. All right, so here's how it connects to all of your classes really quickly. So you are going to be using concepts you learned in science, scientific concepts and laws. Ms. Garner will go over that in great detail with you. You're going to be calculating things. Ms. Garner will also help you with that. Now, your model will be powered by robotics. So that's Mr. Kitchen's class. You're going to think about the different robotics things you have learned and how can you use that to power your model. Now, how does literature tie in? Well, your ride must have a theme of one of the works we have studied in class. So either the Odyssey, Beowulf, Sundiata, or Purple Hibiscus. And we're going to pull geography in by creating an accompanying menu to go along with your ride. So what food can you order to go along with your ride? And how is that food related to the culture and the geography of the kingdom? And then finally, you will be filming a video demonstrating and explaining your ride. Your video will be in English with some Spanish elements. Now, of course, you guys, questions you have, you all want to know, can you work in groups? Yes, but they must be small, 2 to 3 people, and they all have to be in the same science class as you. Why? Because science class is in charge of this project. All right. In this PowerPoint, there are some inspiration videos. These are the gallery walk rules that your teachers will go over. And the virtual field trip information is in here. All right. Hopefully you're excited. I know I am.